Belize is a melting pot of cultures, so unique, so varied, and so enchanting. Take a journey with us as we travel through the jewel. This is our Belize, our people, food, and culture. Today we will explore Caye Caulker's island life with a closer look at the local seafood cuisine and prepare a tasty fisherman soup with grilled spiny lobster, conch, crab claw, and hagfish. Bienvenidos a Caye Caulker, la isla cariñosa, the Goslo Island. Welcome to Caye Caulker. I'm here today with Miss Ismelda Rosado.
Welcome to Caye Caulker, Sean. Nice to meet you. Long
Nice
time
to
I want to
meet
meet you.
I want to meet you a long time too. So what will you use today?
What you do? Chocho cut up small.
Chocho,
The bit of potato.
potato, don't worry.
Onion.
Uh-huh.
Sweet pepper. 1 liter tomato.
Okay. So we cut that up.
And cilantro.
Okay.
And 1 layer banana that can give it nice flavor.
Flavor. And what kind of
Alright.
seafood will you use today?
We are use with
Look at
our
that.
hagfish.
Look
Look
at
at
this
there.
display.
With our
Hagfish.
hagfish.
Okay.
So,
Well, by the way, let me tell you something. I caught this lobster myself, you know.
yes, you catch a big one too,
I
Sean.
catch a big
You do
one.
Good job
And
there.
the crab, the stone crab, and the conch. All right,
The
make we
crab
start
too.
then.
All right then.
All right, make we cut some veggies.
So, cut
you
some
work me and I
veggies.
work you.
All right then.
Where will the cut
Potato.
first? You cut, I will cut the chocho. I have
Chocho.
to peel the chocho?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
I know I peel chocho. I'll cut the tomato instead.
Wash it.
All right, so we'll cut the veggies.
Yeah.
Dice? How you want it?
Dice.
Dice. Tell me about life on Caye Caulker, man. Typical day on Caye Caulker. Do you want to be anywhere else than Caye Caulker?
Oh no. I said, wake up in the morning and look up on the sky. I said, especially one day like today, beautiful
It is
sky.
so beautiful, yes.
Nice breeze blow.
Nice breeze
Every
they
time
blow.
that you want,
Better than that. Can't get.
can't get
All
nowhere.
right, so you want me to cut the sweet pepper?
In a strips, please.
Strips.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. All right. All right, so we have tomatoes. I did the bell pepper like you told me to. We have onion. We have chayote, cilantro,
Cilantro, onions.
cebolla.
Yes.
All right, what else should I be doing now that we have our vegetables ready?
You should have pound the conchs for me.
Pound the conchs.
Por favor, please.
How
Thank
do you pound the conchs? Teach me.
You have to take off the early edge here, right?
All right.
All of this thing here you don't need. You don't
Also,
need.
I have to clean the conch first.
Yeah, you have to take off all of that thing here.
All right. I can peel the conch.
Take off all of this.
Show me. Teach me. Right there, so.
All right, see.
All right, then I'll work right there, so.
Take off this too, see, Sean.
Yes, ma'am.
All of this thing here.
I'll let it touch.
All of the excess thing. You don't need the skin. None of them there.
So this is clean conch. All right, so we have the conch. Okay, that's called market clean, right?
Yeah, that's my market clean. Now you're good. Now you can beat her now. You're ready for
Beat her?
Beat her.
With this?
With that.
Show me how to beat it, man.
Hold on. That one is not good. This one.
Why you beat it?
Make it get soft because if you just put it in the pot like that, so you're hard, you can't eat it.
Okay.
So you have, and then you
So-
cook faster too.
Beat your conch.
Look on it how when you don't beat it.
Excellent. All right, good. We got with fish. We got with conch. Let's go make this soup, man.
Get him on a hickey pot.
Mother heck apart. So we don't got the conchs. We need the lobster. And what did the lobster? You are cook rice, maybe too?
Yes.
What kind of rice you dey cook?
Well, cook with rice.
Coconut rice. All right, I can't wait.
You got coconut milk here?
All right,
Ready
good.
for the rice.
All right, we are cut the lobster.
All right.
Love it, darling. Look how fresh. Did I tell you?
Fresh.
Did I tell you that I caught this lobster myself? Hook stick style, you know, like real old-time fisherman.
That's our fat lobster then.
Fatty, buffy,
Oh, say
beautiful.
buff,
Look at that.
yes.
Man, we got next one too, you know. All right, I'm going to the sea, go clean this lobster, and then we can start on the rice, okay?
Okay.
Excellent. rice is looking
And
good.
it smell good too.
And it smells good. Fresh coconut milk. Beautiful. All right. So, I have my conchs. I got my lobster. We got it. What kind of rice should they cook there?
Coconut rice, white rice.
I noticed.
Coconut milk. Look on this.
So you mean to say that nothing from can?
No man. Fresh real thing, yeah.
How you make it? You grate it, you squeeze it.
You grate it, you add water, you squeeze it out. You sieve out the
Excellent.
coconut trash.
Coconut
Get the milk.
white rice. Now,
Yes.
let's go make this fisherman soup, man. Let's go. Light the fire.
Light up the fire. Start it up.
Light the fire. Good.
Good there.
Pat. Good. What now, Mama?
We put a little bit of oil.
Put a little bit of oil. Excellent. Freshest fisherman soup you ever taste. Straight from the sea to the pot. Speaking about the pot, where do you put it here now? We got oil.
Okay, we put carrots.
Carrots. ¿Qué más?
The chocho.
Ay.
Because then they take longer for cook. So we stir fry them there. Potato.
Potato. Carrots. Chayote.
Chayote.
Onion, right?
Onion.
Cebolla. Very good. I love the sound of that.
Me too. I love this song.
All right. Potato. Chocho, chayote. Carrot. Onion. ¿Qué más?
You better black pepper,
Black
garlic.
pepper. Garlic.
Yes, seasonal. You have to get garlic in everything.
Put the garlic, Mama. I get excited now, you know.
Yes.
I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it.
That time for get excited when you the smell is the bubble.
Look at boy. Watch ya. I'm sorry for that tourists where they pass there right now. They
Yeah, I
can't
want to
take-
eat this, but
Well, if they want you to do it, they will find you again.
Meldes.
Meldes. Come on, Meldes.
Yeah,
You'll find it
yeah.
right there. All right, we got the veggies. They cook nice and brown, smelling so good. Now, when we are at the seafood, man.
No.
So what we are at first?
Add the conchs first.
Conchs.
Yeah.
All right. Earlier we took the conchs. We beat the conchs. You're gonna cut it or put it whole?
Right, sir.
Ay, ay, ay. Man.
Stir fry this and leave it like turn
Yeah.
around in them make it catch the flavor of the veggies what you got here.
All right, we got the conchs. What next?
Lobster.
Lobster. You just said the word, darling. Whatever you say, I'll put it in there. Lobster. Lobster. What about some stone crab? Yeah?
Add the stone crab now.
Oh my goodness. Thanks to Maria Allen, the girl on the boat. I caught these myself, you know. Impressive, right? Put her in the
Yeah,
pot.
fresh.
Fresher than that. Can't
can't
get.
get.
Hey, hey, hey. Put the lobster. Oh goodness, looking at the pot. All right, so you score the fish, right?
You score the fish. Now you add the water, please. Not the
Water?
Yeah.
How much
please.
water for put?
That's soup with the mix.
That's
so
soup with the mix, so
Not play
put-
with the water. Not play with it.
Don't play with that. Son of a gun. Oh my goodness, it's looking so good. So we have the water, the vegetables, potato, carrot. Oh man, bell pepper, conch, crab, lobster. You want to add some
Okay.
fish?
Yes, look for the pretty hagfish.
Hagfish.
Fresh hagfish.
Gorgeous
All of the
hagfish.
Caye Caulker.
Only the Caye Caulker.
Yes, fresh, fresh.
Only in Caye Caulker, guys. You can come and get your nice hagfish. This is one of my favorite fish, you know.
My one too.
Watch how you're slipping. Aye. He's going in there like he can swim.
Go and swim. Go for a swim.
Again. How you even describe this?
Heaven.
Heaven! Straight out of Caye Caulker. All right. You think the rice is finished?
Yes, it's finished. We need to add all the habanero there.
Habanero. How many?
2.
2.
Flavor.
Flavor. Let's go put 3 for good luck. Aye, 3. Nice?
Yes.
If the boss, you get better. All right.
Yeah. Now you add it.
We still have some lobsters, you know. What are we going to do with that?
We're going to grill them.
Grill them.
We're going to spice them up.
Spice it up.
Yeah.
Let's season up and then we grill. Yeah? All right, season them up. And then we're going to grill some of the stone crab too, right?
So I put a little bit of butter.
Butter makes it better.
Yes.
You agree? Use this
Yes.
one.
Butter first. Oh, now look. Rich. You got some good lobster, Sean.
Well, I caught the lobsters, but I also got these from Maria. So I can't wait to grill them. Give them a little crack. put a little ball, you just put them on the griddle. Look at that. My goodness. You know what that's doing there? Flavor. All right, so let's grill the lobster, okay?
All right, I'm gonna move the rice then.
Good.
Rice done, ready. Let's go.
Coconut rice.
Coconut
Beautiful.
rice.
We're gonna use the same griddle. Put some oil, okay?
Yes.
Grease her, mama. Put it on skin this way.
Yes.
Oh man. Hi,
You hear that? You hear that?
I hear it, mama.
Things that happen. When you hear that, things that happen.
Can't wait to put some crab. Just let that nice and cook right there, so. Oh man. That's what you call a happy griddle.
Soup done. Now we have to add the cilantro, the last touch. The flavor.
My goodness, I can't wait to taste it. You think you're ready?
Ready.
You ready?
You ready? Got
You
everything there.
ready?
You got a touch.
Wow. Remind me how you make this thing again, man.
You put chow, carrots, chayote, right?
Chayote.
Carrots,
Uh-huh.
potato,
We
cilantro.
sauteed it.
Saute it first with the conch.
Uh-huh. We
conch.
pounded the conch.
We pound the
added
conch.
the conch. We add-
Wait, but first you gonna catch it.
Oh yes, wait. I had to catch it. I went to this with ragators and I dived my conchs myself. And then I went with Maria Allen and I got the crab claws. And then I went with the guys and I got my own lobster. And this is the result.
This is the result.
Fisherman stew. Fisherman soup.
Richness.
Rich, Mr. Plate up, mama.
Right, sure.
Please, I can't wait no more. And I want to add some
So you got your piece of conch here.
conch.
You get all
crab.
the richness.
I want to add the crab, so.
Goodness.
I want another crab, so.
You want banana in it
I
too?
want everything, so. I will put piece of fish, so. I will put the lobster, so. Oh my.
Alright, look on this. Can't get this nowhere else. Only the Caye Caulker.
Say that again. Where part I go get this?
Caye Caulker.
Anywhere else?
Nope.
Never. Only
Caye
in
Caulker.
Caye Caulker. Look how gorgeous this is. And I forgot, we also have spiny lobster. We don't have the lobster with the claw, you know, that's from Maine and other countries. We have spiny lobsters. Gorgeous, beautiful. A meal fit for queens and royalties. Boy, look here. Be a part of Belizean culture.
Try your version at home. Or better yet, come to Caye Caulker and experience
Experience
it
it
for yourself.
yourself. Thank you so much. I can't wait to eat.